Are you unable to take screenshots on your Samsung phone due to security policy? No worries guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue on your phone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check specific app permission, press and hold on any specific app like Facebook. Then tap on eye icon. After that, tap on permissions. If you didn't allow the camera before the capture, then make sure to allow the camera. To do that, find out camera, tap on it. Now, select allow only while using the app. Solution 2. Reset all settings. Go to settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap general management. Now, scroll down again, tap reset, scroll down once again. Now, tap reset all settings. Then tap reset settings again. Tap reset. Wait for a while. If still you have the same problem, then you can also try the solution. Solution 3. Use Google Assistant. Open Google Assistant. Now, say hey Google, take a screenshot. Then your assistant will capture the screen, and that's it. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.